A planting schedule for Zone 7B will depend on your specific location and climate conditions within that zone. Zone 7B is known for its mild winters and relatively warm summers, making it suitable for a variety of plants and vegetables. However, it's essential to keep in mind that weather patterns can vary from year to year, so it's best to use the following as general guidelines and make adjustments based on your local conditions and frost dates. Early spring, February-March. Indoors, start seeds for warm season crops like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and other tender vegetables 6-8 weeks before the last expected frost date. You can transplant them outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. Outdoors, as soon as the soil can be worked, you can plant cold, hardy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, kale, broccoli, cabbage, peas, and carrots. Late spring, April-May. Outdoors, plant the warm season crops that you started indoors once the last frost date has passed. This may include tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, cucumbers, squash, and beans. Early summer, June. Outdoors, continue planting heat-loving crops and succession planting for a continuous harvest of fast-maturing vegetables. Midsummer, July-August. Outdoors, in midsummer, you can plant cool season crops for a fall harvest. These may include certain varieties of lettuce, spinach, radishes, and beets. Fall, September-October. Outdoors, plant cool season crops like kale, collard greens, broccoli, cauliflower. Late fall, November. Outdoors, continue harvesting cool season crops as long as possible, but be prepared for potential frosts or freezes. Clean up, clear out spent plants and debris to prepare the garden for winter. Winter, December, January. Rest during winter. The garden will likely be dormant, and not much planting will happen. However, you can plan and prepare for the upcoming spring season. Remember, these are just general guidelines, and the specific timing may vary depending on your local microclimate and weather conditions. To get the most accurate planting schedule for your area, it's best to consult with local gardening experts, agricultural extension offices, or use online tools that can provide customized planting schedules based on your zip code or location.